What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So today we finally got our gauges in for the Luv, and I thought I'd bring you along to just show you what we're gonna do. We've got our speed, we've got our tach, we've got our battery, our fuel, our water. We've got all of that going on. But I'm so excited that we finally got our gauges in. I can't wait to get them put in. We got Kyler over here, sitting here, trying to figure out exactly where we're gonna start cutting our license plate dash. As you can see, I'm so excited. I just can't wait to get gauges in here finally. So we've got the first hole drilled. I'm so excited. We're gonna have to like re-rivet the dash. As you can see, it's like the license plates aren't really sitting there. So we also could not get the right size hole saw. So we're kind of improvising here. We're just slightly off. So we're using some of this stuff to try to make them a little bit wider so that the gauges will fit, and hopefully it all works out. I will keep you updated. So we got our first two gauges in. I am so pleased with how they're looking so far. We've got our speed and our tach. I am so happy. I mean, look at that. They fit pretty dang good. Our improv honestly worked. I'm pretty surprised. Here's the progress so far. We got all of the holes drilled. Pretty happy with it. We just used electrical tape to kind of like space out where we wanted them. I don't know. I think it works pretty good. Hopefully it all works out, since, you know, there's no going back from this, cutting holes in the dash, but, you know, pretty happy with it. I guess I'll just show you guys once we get the gauges in to test fit it. All right, so we got all the holes drilled and everything, and now we just need to get the gauges in and wired in and all that, and I'll show you what we're doing.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to
Yeah, but one moment I was sitting in the corner, and there's this one guy. He came in, and I had my rifle sticking out, and he turned around and saw me, and he didn't shoot me.
What the heck?
And I'm like, okay. He's like, okay, you're not gonna shoot me, I'm not gonna shoot you. So I'm like, okay. And next thing I know is his buddy's coming in. And he looks at me and he doesn't do anything. So like, finally I shot fire, killed both of them, and then the zone knocked me out.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Oh yeah.
It's a different It's a different body style.
Yeah.
They're
both the Cummins, yeah, but this is a second gen. Is he close?
That's about 10 years newer. Yep. Dodge kept that body style.
My favorite is the second gens, though. They look the best in my opinion, but they're old.
You know what I like?
4th gen.
55 Ford Mustang, Ford Shelby Mustang.
That's not bad.
Those things are badass when you put NOS in it. Those are perfect drift cars too.
What is? No.
If you put like NOS in,
Definitely.
you put
Not
like
a drift car. Not a drift car. No. Fast and Furious is so fake.
Yeah. Fast and
I like it. I like Dom's car though.
Yeah, this Charger.
Because it's
I only did one buck connector project. That's all I've done. I was told never to do them or use them in my life, so.
All right, 8 hours later, and look what we got. They've got power. Oh my gosh. They look so good.
That RPM is totally wrong.
Oh yeah.
It's just going through the cycle right now.
Hooked up, but we got the majority of it, and I'm just super excited that we actually got to like see them. They're lit up. I'm so stoked. I'm just so glad that they're in. But